This is v45.org where you can make and sell art easily. So if you're an Etsy seller and you have a digital art business or even a physical product business where you sell art on anything, this is right for you. Once you get in, you'll see that you can connect your Etsy shop, you can connect your Pinterest, lots of different things where it'll create a pin for you as soon as you publish a listing. And you can buy credits to be able to do any of these options that you have here. So we'll go through and kind of look at the different parts of this. We have image upscale and repair, image crop. You can do all kinds of things here. You can do background removers, you can crop to a common frame size. There's seamless pattern makers where you can create unique patterns automatically. And then there's even a pattern repeater, so you can actually make tiles and just repeat those to create larger patterns. So you can set repetitions, width, and height separately, all kinds of fantastic little options here. You can even create an Etsy shop name through this generator here if you haven't already opened your shop. I'm going to take you through the most important one right now, which is the digital art listing creator and uploader for Etsy. You just have to connect your Etsy account and you'll see it can go right there for you, give you the app permissions, and then it'll allow you to create your listings through here automatically. So image generator, fantastic piece of this where you can either make an image using a prompt or using keywords, so you can choose a lot of different things here. A lot of options. You can see I'm going to do whimsical nursery art or watercolor animals. I just did that using keywords and I was able to make 20 different images within a few seconds. It only takes a couple of seconds for each image to generate. I was able to make a bundle of these really cute nursery art images. And then you just download those and you can create a zip file or you can post those, separately, however you want to do it. So once you get back to the digital listing creator, you can select your images from the device or you can bulk upload from a zip file. So you put everything into a zip file, you can choose all the options that you want here to be able to upload to Etsy just all at once. So you don't have to do each listing individually. You just have to choose your preset, whichever one of those presets works for you. Do you want paid storage? Do you want to publish the listing immediately? It's got description information. You can customize it here, of course, or on Etsy, price, quantity, all of the normal things that you would have here. And then you can select your zip file and upload that onto Etsy just as a bulk. So all of them will upload at once, within a few seconds for each to upload. And then you don't have to do each listing individually, particularly if they're all very similar, just like I have all these nursery art images, but I want to list them separately. This will bulk upload all 20 of these images. It takes about 2 seconds each, and you can see it uploaded all of those listings to create. So you can either create them in draft or go ahead and publish them, totally up to you. And you can see all of the different sorts of options that you can choose from, all the things you can do with this, and it takes just a few seconds to get that. And then you head over to your Etsy shop and you'll see that they're there. All of mine are currently in draft, but you can see it actually has all 20 of these, even has a video with them. All of the different images that it comes with, you can see when you open one up, it actually has all of the preview images. It uses, the 10 preview images. You can see all of my 20 are here. We'll just pick one and kind of look at it. And this is the whimsical animal trio. So it created that title for me, all of those preview images, the video, and you can see there's 9 preview images. Some have text on them, and you can create your own presets for that. And that's got the file already uploaded for you. It's got a description you can customize if you want to, or you can leave that. And most of the attributes that it's going to put on there are going to be there too. So it's got your price, your quantity already loaded, what the category is going to be, and of course any additional attributes you can change in Etsy, and then it creates all of the tags for you. So if you want to use those tags, of course, you can customize your own, but that automatically pulls for you, so you don't have to do any of that work. It's automatically up here. And then you can add your section. It's already got your renewal option that you chose, and then you can either save the draft or publish from there. It's really simple because that way you can have all of these listings and they pop up really quickly and easily. And of course you can customize all these presets and preview images. Everything's really customizable to whatever you need so that you can change things out. Check it out.